Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best solar panels is probably one of the most transformative technologies of our time, offering a cleaner, more sustainable way to power our homes and businesses and reducing our carbon footprint. But with so many options available, choosing the right solar panel system can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll cut through the jargon and help you understand what to look for when selecting the perfect solar panels to meet your energy needs and budget, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition to solar power. Number 5. Renogy 100W Solar Panel 2-Pack. It's lightweight and easy to handle, generating around 500 Wh of electricity daily, depending on sunlight. Its compact design makes it perfect for various applications. Made with 100% EL-tested Grade A+ solar cells, it boasts high efficiency and a long lifespan. The PERK cells ensure excellent performance. It utilizes cutting-edge 9 busbars cell technology and a half-cell structure for maximized space usage and reduced energy loss. This ensures optimal power generation. With IP65 protection, it's designed to endure snow, rain, and heat for years to come. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance in any weather. The pre-drilled holes make mounting a breeze. It's compatible with various Renogy mounting systems, simplifying installation for off-grid setups. It comes with a 10-year workmanship warranty and is expected to maintain over 80% of its output for 25 years. You can rely on it for long-term solar power. What we like. It's lightweight and small, perfect for RVs or boats where space is limited. Its high efficiency ensures you get the most power from the sun. If you need a reliable, long-lasting solar panel for your off-grid adventures, this is the one for you. Number 4. SOLPERK 20W Solar Panel Kit. It boasts a monocrystalline solar cell with 21% to 30% efficiency, designed to charge and maintain various 12V rechargeable batteries. This makes it perfect for keeping your batteries topped off in a variety of applications. With its durable tempered glass and corrosion-resistant frame, it's 100% waterproof and rust-proof. It's designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions for up to 25 years. The included 8A controller charges 20% to 30% faster than others, with a 3-stage design preventing overcharging and short circuits. Plus, it doesn't drain your battery. The 360-degree adjustable mount makes it simple to optimize its position for maximum sunlight. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play connections. The kit includes the solar panel, charge controller, mounting bracket, alligator clips, O-rings, mounting pieces, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support. We're here to help 24/7. What we like. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started. The smart controller optimizes charging and protects your battery. If you're a beginner and want a simple, effective solar charging solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. It is very easy to work with, basically plug and play. It is pretty compact and the indicators are simple and easy to read. Solidly built. Works well. It keeps a 24V heavy truck charged. It survived and is still in service. Fantastic. I mounted the panel outside, ran the wire inside to the controller which I plugged into a relatively new 12V AGM car battery. The panel charged the battery up the first day and keeps it topped off enough for the battery's current load, which is currently a 12V automotive LED that I mounted pointing at the ceiling of the kitchen. Number 3. Topsolar 100W Solar Kit. Introducing the Topsolar 100W Solar Panel Kit, perfect for various applications. It's designed to provide reliable off-grid power for your home, RV, boat, or cabin. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy setup. Pre-drilled holes and included Z-brackets make mounting a breeze. Connect it and start generating clean energy. The kit comes with a 100W monocrystalline solar panel, a 30A charge controller, and all necessary cables. Everything is included for a seamless installation. The 30A charge controller protects your battery from overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. It ensures your battery's longevity and optimal performance. It's built to withstand harsh weather conditions with high wind and snow load resistance. The strong tempered glass and aluminum frame ensure it will last for years to come. This kit is expandable. You can easily increase your solar power capacity up to 260W for 12V systems or 520W for 24V systems. It measures 1160 by 510 by 35 millimeters and weighs 15.84 pounds. The maximum power voltage is 23V, and the maximum power current is 4.3 A. What we like. It comes with all the necessary components for a quick and easy setup. The included controller protects your battery and allows for system expansion. If you want a hassle-free solar power solution that can grow with your needs, this is a great choice. What people say. Bought 2 of these. One keeps the batteries on my RV charged up so I don't have an extension cord running from my house across my lawn and driveway. The second powers a diesel heater and charges the battery we have set up in the barn. We don't have electricity way out there, so got this to try, and it's worked amazingly well. It's easy to set up and move if need be. Cable length is nice and long. They are easy to connect. Do your research, but you almost can't hook these up wrong. They are a good value for the money, especially for those of you who don't have the budget to order a whole pallet at a time. The size seems to be a little bigger than the standard 100-watt panels, but not too large that you can't handle them by yourself. Seems to be very durable, however the plastic corners often get broken off during shipping. 2 panels hooked up to a 1100-watt inverter and an upgraded solar charge controller will run 150 watts or so almost all day and night, hooked up to 2 12V batteries, largest AGM from Base Pro. I've ran TVs and Wi-Fi, grill, fans, ECT, obviously depends on your setup, but will charge your solar batteries and do what is needed for a good battery life. As a budget starter kit, this works great. Out of the box, the solar panel and charge controller were easy to connect together. Once connected to the battery, the charge controller screen lights up. Then when the panel is connected and in sunlight, the battery begins charging. Rooftop installation hardware is straightforward to install and seems quite durable. With an 800W inverter I purchased separately, I can now power my work shed off-grid with this kit. I'm planning to buy a second one of these kits and expand both to 300W each, which will allow for backup home power during outages. Number 2. ECO-worthy 200W Solar Panel Kit. This kit provides reliable solar power for various off-grid applications. It's perfect for RVs, boats, and more, giving you energy independence. It boasts high-performance monocrystalline solar cells, ensuring efficient energy conversion even in less than ideal sunlight. You'll get more power from every ray. With a durable aluminum frame and IP65 rated junction box, it can withstand harsh weather conditions. It's designed for long-term use and reliability. The pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play design make installation a breeze. You can easily connect it in series or parallel to match your needs. Everything you need is included: 2 100W panels, mounting brackets, a 30A charge controller, and all necessary cables. Just unpack and start generating power. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 tech support. We're here to help if you have any questions or issues. What we like. This kit delivers a significant amount of power daily, ideal for larger applications. Its robust construction ensures longevity in harsh conditions. If you need substantial solar power for your RV, camper, or off-grid home, this kit is worth considering. What people say. Easy to install on our golf cart roof. Even charges well when there is cloud cover, or I have not cleaned the unit in a while. Panels seem to be of the highest quality. Controller works as intended. Excellent connectors wires. Also included all the brackets needed for a quality installation. Panels are performing as expected. This was my first attempt at finally putting together a small solar setup. Surprisingly well, few months down the line it's still working with no maintenance or issues. I used older 12V SLA batteries I had laying around from assorted projects. I was able to run a small USB fan, 1000W power inverter that can power a 20 flat screen TV and Nintendo Switch plus more. Number 1. JJN 100W Solar Panel. This innovative solar panel is designed for efficiency and durability. It's perfect for various applications, from RVs to off-grid homes. It boasts a remarkable 23% conversion efficiency, thanks to its high-quality 9BB cell design. This means you'll generate more power from the sun's energy. The half-cut cell design minimizes power loss and reduces the impact of shading, ensuring consistent performance even in less than ideal conditions. It's built to withstand harsh weather, with a strong aluminum frame and IP65/IP67 protection. It can handle strong winds and heavy snow loads. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled holes and compatibility with various mounting systems. It's designed for simple and secure setup. We stand behind our product with a 30-year power output warranty and exceptional customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It boasts impressive efficiency, maximizing power generation. Its robust design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you prioritize high performance and ease of installation, this is an excellent option. What people say. These panels deliver full wattage to your storage and loads. I have these in series parallel for my 24V controller and inverter. It's summer 2024 and the other day we had a power outage affecting 5K homes in the area. My shop was running as if nothing happened. Full-on AC, compressor, lights, power tools, chargers. These panels pushed 15A at 24V with no problems. These panels actually produce the advertised power, unlike many others. JJN may be a lesser-known name in this industry, but they've been around for a very long time, and the panels I receive from them carry their brand name right on the face in permanent form. And perform they did. I connected them to a 12V 300Ah lithium iron phosphate, LiFePA 4, that had gone down to only 6% charge while I waited on a refund for some other panels I had purchased. These panels immediately began producing 640 to 650 watts, flat on the ground and at an angle to the sun of about 25 degrees, through a 100V 50A charge controller. By the time the sun began to set, my battery was showing 100%. Build quality is exceptional, the output amazing. Without worry of perfect angle or alignment, on mounts in the lawn these two panels wired in series produce 815 watts in full sun, even diffused evening light produces usable power. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.